Welcome back to my AI channel. In this video, I will show you how to add text behind the video like this one. Let's get started. Go to Media tab and import your video. Add the video to the timeline. Zoom in the timeline. Go to Text tab. Add text from Text Templates. Change the text duration length. Now type the text that you want. Move the text and change the size as you wish. Add another text, but this time use default text. Type the second sentence. Change the size and the position. Add animation from Animation tab. Preview the video. Now, go and export the video. When the export done, clear the timeline. Go back to Media tab and import the exported video. Now, we have two videos, the original one and the one with text. Add the one with text to the first timeline. Then, add the original one to the second timeline. While the second one is selected, go to Cutout tab. Click on Auto Cutout. Now we are done. Export the video. Here is the result. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. See you soon.